Samsung's next affordable smartphone, the Galaxy A17, has just surfaced in new leak renders, giving us a solid first look at its design. The A17 features a sleek and minimalist aesthetic with flat edges, a subtle camera layout. The phone comes in the same dark gray and black color. The front sports a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, a triple rear camera setup with a 50MP main snapper, a 5MP ultrawide, and a 2MP macro. The phone will be equipped with the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, which is an almost 2-year-old 6nm processor. It has two 2 GHz Cortex A76 and 6 2 GHz Cortex A55 cores, as well as the Mali G57NC2 GPU. This is the same chipset that was also used in the Galaxy A15 and A16. Geekbench scores this time are also shown to be slightly lower than the previous models. Samsung is also going to bring a 5G variant of this series. The Galaxy A17 5G listed it with the Exynos 1330 SoC and a 5000 mAh battery with support for 25W wired charging. Samsung will likely announce this model for under $200. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.